In this video, we were exploring Python variables. Think of variables as containers for storing data values. In Python, creating a variable is simple as assigning a value to it. Here is an example. In this code, x is a variable that holds the number 5, which is an integer, and y is a variable that holds text John, which is a string. Let's execute the first example. I use the debugger mode. I add a breakpoint. We can see the result in console, and we can see the variable via this window. X is a variable that holds the number 5, which is an integer. Y is a variable that holds John, which is an str. I print x, print y in the console. X5 and y is John. Python doesn't need a special command to declare variables. Variables in Python are dynamic. They don't need to be a specific type and can change type even after being set. Here, x starts as an integer with value 4, then change to string with the value Sally. Let's try this example. X take the value 4. X take the value 4. I print the result. After that, x take Sally as an str. Let's see the variable x. X take the value Sally, which is an str, and we print the result in the console, which is Sally. Next, if you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. Here x is defined as str, y is defined as int, and z is defined as float. Let's execute this example. Here x, it will be an str, variables, x str 3, next y, it will be int, and z, it will be a float. And we can see the result here. X is an str, y is an int, and z is a float. If you want to know the type of a variable, use the type function. We will continue with the same example. Here x take an str, y take an int, and z take a float. Let's verify the type of each variable. I select the window variables. X, it's class str, y, it's a class int, and z, it will be class float. There is another example. X take 5 as an integer, and y take a John as an str. Let's see together the type of these two variables. X, it will be class int, and y, it will be class str. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. Here x is defined with double quotes, and here x is defined with a single quote. And there is no difference between these two syntax. Let's try that. Here we have x defined with double quote, 5 single or double quote. Section 5, x defined with double quote. The type of x is str, Next, x is defined with single quote and the same type, str. 6. Remember that variables name in Python are case sensitive. That means lowercase and uppercase are different variables. In this example, lowercase a holds the integer 4 and the uppercase a holds the string Sally. And the uppercase will not override the lowercase. Let's execute this example. 6. Case sensitives. Lowercase a take the number 4 and the uppercase take the str Sally. Let's print the two result. Lowercase a take the value 4 and the uppercase a take the str Sally. There are two different variables.